Are you a marketing team trying to figure out whether Asana or ClickUp is better for your workflow? In this video, I'll compare both platforms to help you decide which one suits your marketing team best. But stick around because I'll also share a better alternative you may not have considered, one that offers some serious perks. Let's jump into the main points. First off, when it comes to ease of use, Asana shines with a super simple, intuitive interface that makes it easy to jump right into a project. If you're looking for something that's straightforward without a steep learning curve, Asana is definitely user-friendly. ClickUp, on the other hand, offers more customization, but this can be a double-edged sword. Yes, you can tailor it to your exact needs, but this also means there's a steeper learning curve. It's not as intuitive, which can slow down your team at first. Next thing, let's talk about features and flexibility. Asana is all about simplicity, so it doesn't have the depth of features that ClickUp offers. ClickUp wins here, hands down, because of its powerful set of tools, from time tracking to docs to automations. You can basically run everything from one platform, but this added complexity can sometimes be overwhelming if your team doesn't need all of those extras. Now, let's consider task management. Asana's task management system is solid, with project views like lists, boards, and timelines. It's fantastic for teams that focus on structured work but still want flexibility. ClickUp, however, has even more ways to view tasks, and you can get super granular with different statuses, custom fields, and even workflows. If you like to control every little detail about your tasks and want to keep track of everything down to the smallest task, ClickUp will be the better option. The fourth thing to keep in mind is collaboration and communication. Both Asana and ClickUp allow for comments, mentions, and file attachments, but ClickUp takes it a step further with its native chat feature and collaboration tools. Asana does have its own forms of collaboration, but they aren't as built out. For teams who need seamless internal communication along with task management, ClickUp might have the edge. Next, let's look at pricing. Asana has a free plan that's fairly limited but works well for small teams. However, to unlock key features, you'll need to jump into the premium tier, which can get expensive fast. ClickUp, on the other hand, offers a free plan that's surprisingly generous with features, and its paid plans are more affordable, especially if you're managing a large team. So, when it comes to pricing, ClickUp tends to offer more bang for your buck. The final thing I want to touch on is integrations and support. Both Asana and ClickUp integrate with most of the major tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom. Asana has an edge in the simplicity of those integrations, as they just work smoothly out of the box. ClickUp, however, offers more integrations and even has its own set of native tools, so it's a more comprehensive platform if you're looking for a complete ecosystem, but again, it can feel a bit overwhelming. Now, after trying both of these myself, I'd say they are both good options, but if you're looking for a platform that combines ease of use with strong features, great support, and scalability, there's actually a better alternative that I highly recommend. If you want to experience the best of both worlds, with a smoother learning curve and the flexibility to grow your marketing team's workflows, then check out the free trial of the platform in the first link in the description. Through this link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Both Asana and ClickUp are good tools, but if you want something that really gives you a competitive edge, this alternative is the way to go. Don't miss out. Click the link below for the best trial offer available only to our viewers.